Meaning of hindrance.
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 Hindrance. Hindrance means an obstacle or something that hinders or impedes progress or action. It could refer to physical, emotional, or mental barriers that prevent a person or thing from achieving its desired outcome. These obstacles could be fear, lack of resources, negative attitudes, or external factors such as bad weather. Hindrances can be frustrating and discouraging, but effective solutions can be found through determination, perseverance, and creative problem solving. Overall, hindrances are challenges that prompt us to confront our limitations and develop new strategies for success.